Right. Good morning to you, Indra.
Good morning, sir.
Right. So I hope that you are fine and welcome to the oral test of Express Spoken English workshop.
Fine, sir.
Okay, right. Then let's start the session, Indra. Let's start with your self-introduction.
Okay. My name is Indra. I'm 19 years old, and I did my A-levels in the year 2020. I have completed my diploma in English, and I hope follow a computer course. And now I worked at April factory. In my position is quality checker. When I am free, I like watching movies, cooking, and chatting with my friends. One day, I hope to become a good teacher, and I totally satisfied with my life.
Okay, Indra, what type of teacher that you would like to become? What type of teacher? Agricultural teacher, right? Okay. So why are you interested in agriculture? Is it a good field? Indra, why are you interested in agriculture field?
Sir, can you hear me? Because it's a nature.
You like nature most?
Yes.
Right. Okay. Then Indra, we will switch to our next session. Next, I'll give you the reading one. Right. The reading task is about Munidasa Kumaratunga. It's a very simple one. So you can read it for me, right? From here to there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, my dear.
Munidasa Kumaratunga was born on 25th July 1887. He was a writer, poet, journalist, and grammarian. He wrote many Sinhala storybooks. Hinsariya, Hatpana, Magul Kama, and
right.
are some of them. These books are popular among children even today. Munidasa Kumaratunga founded the Hela Howler movement to promote the correct usage of the Sinhala language. He wrote Sinhala grammar books and had a wide knowledge of other languages like Tamil, Pali, Sanskrit, Greek, and Latin. In his lifetime, he served as a school teacher, principal, and school inspector. This eminent scholar passed away on 2nd March 1944.
Thank you very much, my dear. Right. So then, Indra, can you tell me if you understand 2 times?
Okay.
Okay.
If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. But if you say don't understand, even if you understand, how will I understand that you understand? If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. But if you say don't understand, even if you understand, how will I understand that you understand?
Right, very nice. Right. Okay, so what about 40 patterns? Can you tell me 10 patterns out of 40 patterns? 10 patterns out of 40 patterns.
Okay, sir. It's better to, it's time to, it's easy to, seems to be, am is are going to, was were going to, will be able to, won't be able to, is it okay if I be sure
Okay, right. Okay, what about the active voice mind map, Indra? Can you tell me the mind map using the verb do?
Okay, sir. A verb do.
Yeah, you can use the verb do and you can generate the mind map like do, does, did, will, do, like that.
Do, does, did, will do, am is are doing, was were doing, will be doing, have as done, had done, will have done, have as been doing, had been doing, will have been doing.
Right. Okay. Nice. Then, tell me something about your what do you call your hobbies, Indra. What are the hobbies that you like to do when you have free time?
I like cooking, sir.
Why do you like cooking?
It's interesting and I learning. It's
Is it difficult to learn cook, or is it easy to learn cooking?
is it easy, sir?
But you should know the style, right?
Yes.
So, what are your best meals? Best dishes do you like best?
Chocolate cakes.
You like desserts, right?
Yes.
Okay, right. So then, unfortunately, we were unable to what you call enjoy one of your dessert, right? Okay, because we had to stop our physical training program. Anyway, Indra, this is not going to be the what you call finals goodbye. This is going to be a goodbye. Okay, this is going to be a bye only. And after, when the country becomes okay, we'll be having a what you call physical training program, and you can join without any issue, right? So I hope that you will be joining us also, right?
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Then, so tell me something about your friend, Priyadarshini. So, what do you think about her? And from where did you meet her like that?
Priyadarshini, good friend. I met her in grade 6. She very care for me,
Mm-hmm.
and she very talented girl.
Mm-hmm.
She like sing songs very well.
Mm-hmm. Can she sing Tamil songs or Sinhala songs?
Sinhala, Tamil, also English songs.
Next time when we have a chance, remind me to what you call have a song from her, right? Okay. Then, Indra, so what do you think about what about your topic? What is the topic that you like to talk?
I like coronavirus.
Okay, go on with that side. You can talk nearly 30 seconds to 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Hi, I'm going to speak. I'm going to speak about coronavirus. Coronaviruses are large family of viruses which may cause illness and animals or humans. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections ranging from the common cold more several diseases. COVID-19 is the infection diseases caused by the most recently discovered coronaviruses. This is new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in 2019. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, tiredness, and dry cough. In more several cases, infections can cause syndrome and even death.
Right.
Is there
Okay.
a
Okay,
vaccine?
my dear. Right. Then, what do you think about coronavirus? Is it a what you call dangerous virus?
No, sir.
Then, then, let me
But
see. Yeah.
uh,
That means it is not dangerous, Indra. It is a normal
uh,
virus.
normal virus. It's 50-50, sir.
Right. If your immunity, if you have a good immunity, you can survive.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Then Indra. So now, what do you think about our training program? Now, I think now you're not nervous, right? You are getting better, right? You are good, right? And your speaking ability is also good. So, what do you think about the program?
Program is good, sir. It's but
Yes, Indra. So you miss, I think you miss several.
before probably
Hello, I can't hear you clearly. That is the reason, right? I think it is because of the internet problem, right? Anyway, so right. Do you like to join the physical training program again?
yes, sir. I like very much.
Right. Okay. So you have to do the practices and do not forget these things and keep up the good work, right? And I wish you all the best. I thank you for joining us, and you did great, right? Okay, Indra. Then see you again. God bless you. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye,
And give
sir.
my
Thank you.
regards to your brother, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.